For this tutorial, we're gonna do a Beatles. Well, it's not a Beatles song. It's Sean Lennon's song. John Lennon's second son. He had with Yoko Ono, and he had an album I think is called Friendly Fire. Pretty good production. Had a video and had videos and everything. Well, this song's called Parachute, and it starts with F sharp minor. Love is like a hurricane. C sharp major. You know it's on the way. A. Then this A diminished, maybe half diminished. I don't know. So love. Bear with me. Hold on. It's been a while. Love, love is like a hurricane. You know it's on the way. You think you can be brave underneath the waves. B minor. Life is just a stage. Let's put on the best show. D7 and let everyone know. C sharp if I have to. Da, 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 da. So that part, for the verses are F sharp minor, C sharp, A diminished, B minor, F sharp minor, D7, C sharp. And then it goes into the chorus. B minor to E, A to D. B minor, C sharp, F sharp minor, F sharp major, B minor, E, A major, D, B minor, C sharp, and D. Then it goes into verse 2. Love is like an aeroplane. Jump and then you pray. The lucky ones remain in the clouds for days. If life is just a dream, which of us is dreaming? Who will wake up screaming? 'Cause if I have to cry tonight, I'd rather be with you. Take my parachute before the dive. Baby, don't you cry. You had to bring me down. Had some fun before we hit the ground. And then solo is G, B minor, G, F sharp major, E major, B minor, up a whole step to C sharp, then two choruses. That's it. That's Parachute. If you haven't heard it, check it out. Sean Lennon. Yeah.